I'm delighted to be joined by Sam from AS Bikes. Sam, you've been around forever.
We have.
How long have you been trading?
It's our 24th year this year, and next year will be 25 years.
And you are a family business, aren't
We
you?
are completely family, yeah. We've basically come from Coventry, and my dad's been on the show circuit, longest one on the show circuit doing electric bikes, and everybody knows him now.
Now, there are lots of people selling electric bikes, but you're certainly one of the most established, aren't you?
We are the longest running one, and we take a free workshop to every show that we go to. So if anybody
Right.
needs any servicing or repairs, we've always offered a free service as well.
Okay. Now, one of the things I love that you do is you let people have a go on the product.
We do.
At the shows, and I regularly see people trying one out for the first time, and often with a huge grin on their face, because an e-bike is a transformational thing.
It is, yeah. I think once you realise that you can use them as push bikes as well, rather
Yeah.
than just electric all the time, you can still get your normal fitness with them, but then they're just making it more enjoyable. You don't have to struggle. And if you've
Yeah.
got any bad hips or knees, it'll help strengthen everything up as well.
They have been a game changer for us. I mean, they've got me back on a bike.
Yes.
So just talk us through the range you've got here at the show.
So all of the bikes we do fold. So the first bike we started off with over 20 years ago is the 20-inch wheel. So that's
Yeah.
just a fully folding 20-inch wheel, really easy to store in a motorhome or a car boot or a garage.
Yeah.
And then we moved on to a 26-inch folding bike, which is pretty rare to find because a big wheel doesn't generally fold. So we were the only one doing that for quite a long time.
Right, I see.
Downside is it is a little bit heavier than the 20-inch wheel, but it's a better technical bicycle.
And what does the 20-inch wheel
20-inch wheel,
weigh?
that one weighs 21 kilos with the battery, 18 kilos without the battery.
Okay.
So general sort of aluminium bike weight, and it's pretty comfortable. It's got 7 gears. It's a normal push bike, but it's got the electric there to help you as and when you need it.
And the silly question is, how far can I go?
Yes,
On
never
the
a silly
battery
question.
charge?
So we use a 36 volt lithium battery, 13 amps. So you'll generally get about 30, 35 miles if you use the power all the time. If you're
Right.
just going to use it as
Wow.
a bicycle and power when you want it, which is what most people want, they still want a normal bicycle, you can normally stretch it to 40 or 50 miles.
And these are pedal assist, are they?
They
So
are
you've
pedal
got
assist.
a pedal.
Yes, they have got an off-road button to use a throttle if wanted, but it has to be used off-road because of the law change in 2016.
And that's the key, isn't it? Yeah,
It
since
is,
2016.
2016 January.
You
yeah.
have to be pedaling.
You do, yes, for it to be legal, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And what I love about this is it's really easy to get on the bike.
We do low step throughs on every product that we do because bad knees, bad hips as we get older.
Yeah.
It doesn't quite
Hello.
it doesn't quite look as manly for some people because
No.
men tend to like crossbars, but once they realise that they don't have to swing their leg on and off, it's much easier.
Yeah, yeah. And then up here we've got, I mean, I love this, the Trike.
Yes.
I remember first seeing this. How long has this been around?
That's been around about 5 years,
Yeah.
and it's the second fully folding electric tricycle in the world.
Wow.
It's the back that folds that makes it unique. You get loads of folding tricycles, but they only fold at the front, so then
Yeah.
you're always left with 30 inches at the back, which for storage is pretty useless, really. So what my dad did was he spent 8 years designing this, but the back wheels actually fold in and collapse. So when it's going into a bike rack or a garage, it's actually portable.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's very unique.
And is this you say this is one of 2 in the world that
It
do
is,
that?
yes. There's this one, and then there's an Italian. Get my teeth in. There's an Italian one called De Blasi, and it's not quite as powerful as this one. So that if you're looking for a fully folded electric trike, you've not got many options, and
Yeah.
we're one of them.
And if someone's got a fear of riding a bike,
Yeah, it tends
this
to be.
is the answer, isn't it?
It tends to be ladies that are lacking confidence because we're never quite as confident, or it tends to be MS, Parkinson's, balance problems, and
Yeah.
it just gives you the confidence to be able to ride again, which is lovely.
And get you out and about
Yeah.
on a bike, getting
Yeah.
fresh air.
And the thing was with the tricycle,
And some exercise.
Exactly, and with the tricycle, when you're on the road, cars give you much wider space as well because of how big it is. So you actually do tend to feel a bit safer going on road with them as well.
And is this pedal assist as well?
It is. It's pedal assistance, and the same as our bikes, it does have an off-road throttle, so that if you wanted to just go around the forest tracks or things like that, because it's
Yeah.
got nice, basically resistant puncture tyres, so you can take them anywhere you want to, really.
Yeah. On a gravel track it would be,
Oh
or
yeah,
a fire
yeah.
track it
I've
would be
got
fine.
some lovely pictures on our website of people taking them through the New Forest and things like that, so they've gone everywhere.
Yeah, I bet. And new to your range is
Yes.
this electric mobility scooter.
It is, yes.
Tell us a bit about these.
So we've been doing this one for about 5 years now, and this is the Mark III model of it. When we first brought it out, we hadn't done scooters before, so we didn't realise that they had automatic braking because we only had a manual brake. We started off with one motor, which
Right.
wasn't powerful enough to go up a hill. So now it's got 2 350 watt motors. It's got a motor on both rear wheels. It's got automatic braking. It's got movable arms. But the best thing about it for people when they're travelling in motorhomes is You can fold it up within a couple of seconds.
That's so easy.
Yeah, and it's complete, because it's brushless motors, it's completely freewheel, so you don't have to disengage any motor brakes or anything like that. It's just ready to go.
Wow, that's really simple.
It's really, really easy.
And what does it weigh?
It weighs 28 kilos with the battery,
Right.
25 kilos without the battery, so it is a little bit heavier, but we use aluminium, so basically it's $16.95 on the price, but if we went any lighter it would be a lot more expensive, so
Right.
it's sort of like that middle market of really good scooter, a little bit heavier but affordable.
And range on something like
Range
this?
on something like this, you get between 12 and 14 miles, because it's got 3 speed settings. It's got 4 miles an hour, 8 miles an hour and 12 miles an hour. So if you're constantly using it on the 12 miles an hour, you'll probably end up getting more 12 miles than 14 on it.
Okay, yeah. Fantastic. Really good.
Thank you.
And how well received have these been?
We've got about probably 10 or 12 people at this show at Lincoln going round on them.
Right.
Doing them for about 5 years now, and they've been really, really good to us, and we hardly get any problems fixing them. And there's lots of people going around, so everybody that stops and looks at them, we just tell them to stop anybody on one and ask them, and we get some really nice feedback.
I bet you do. And where can people find out more about AS Bikes?
So
The shows?
we're at every Warner show. We've got our own website, which is www.asbikes.co.uk.
Easy.
We've got a Facebook page. Probably don't do Facebook as much as we should, but yeah, we've got an email, we've got a website, we've got nice videos on our website as well. So if anybody wants to ask any questions, we're always around.
There you go. Now I've got one question, Sam.
Yes.
Can I have a go on one of these?
Of course you can.
I've
Please
never
do.
ridden one. Can I try it?
I think you'll have lots of fun.
Can I try one?
Yeah,
Come on,
absolutely.
then. Let's have a go.
Right, so
Show us how it works.
okay,
So you turn it on.
battery's on here.
Yeah.
So we turn our controller on there, and then what we've got is we've got mode 1, which is 4 miles an hour, mode 2, which is 8 miles an hour, and mode 3, which is your quick one, which I think
Let's
is
do
going
that.
to be more you. Right, hop on in.
Okay. Is there a seat belt?
There probably should be at that speed.
And it's just twist and
It
go.
is just twist and go.
So it's
yeah.
just like a little motorbike.
It is, yeah, and it's got automatic braking, so when you let go of the throttle, it will brake for you.
But there
as
is
well.
a brake here as well.
That's your just in case brake, yeah.
Just in case.
Yes, if suddenly a mad person runs out in front of you, you can stop.
I'm not going to need that. Right. Thanks, Sam.
Thank you very
Great
much.
to see you.
Thank you.
See you later.
Bye.